Welcome to Compare to Win. The best IdeaPaint is probably one of the most transformative and innovative solutions for modern workspaces and creative environments, allowing you to turn any smooth surface into a dynamic, erasable canvas for brainstorming, planning, and collaborating without the limitations of traditional whiteboards, truly revolutionizing how ideas are shared and developed in real time. Number 5. Paint pouring for beginners. Ready to dive into the vibrant world of paint pouring? This guide is designed for you, even if you've never picked up a brush before. Discover simple techniques that yield stunning results. Learn the secrets to creating beautiful paint pours with minimal effort. We break down easy-to-follow methods that guarantee eye-catching artwork every time. Explore a gallery of inspiring ideas to spark your imagination. From abstract designs to unique patterns, you'll find plenty of inspiration to get you started on your creative journey. Don't worry if you're new to art. This resource is specifically crafted for absolute beginners, providing all the guidance you need to succeed. You'll be creating amazing art in no time. Begin your exciting adventure into paint pouring today. With practical tips and creative prompts, you'll gain the confidence to express yourself through this captivating art form. What we like. This guide is perfect for diving into a new artistic hobby. It offers simple techniques and inspiring ideas to get you started. If you are looking for a creative outlet and want to learn a new art form from scratch, you should consider this comprehensive beginner's resource. What people say. No reviews available in the source to extract points from. No reviews available in the source to extract points from. Number 4. IdeaPaint Cleaner and Conditioner 1 gallon. Bring your dry erase surfaces back to life with this powerful cleaner and conditioner. It effortlessly eliminates stubborn stains, making your boards look like new again. This product features an exclusive formula designed for optimal cleaning performance. It's the perfect choice for professionals like teachers and executives who want to focus on inspiring, not scrubbing. Its non-toxic and solvent-free formula ensures it's safe for use in any environment. You can confidently use it around children without worry. For best results, incorporate this cleaner into your routine weekly or monthly. This ensures your dry erase surfaces remain pristine, even with heavy use. This cleaner is part of a complete system designed to help you reach your creative potential. It supports high-performing dry erase surfaces, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. What we like. This cleaner and conditioner is designed to bring your dry erase surfaces back to life. Its exclusive, non-toxic formula effectively eliminates stubborn stains. If you have high-traffic dry erase boards and want to maintain them in pristine condition, you should consider this safe and powerful solution. What people say. The paint is very easy to apply and dries quickly. It transforms any surface into a dry erase board. The surface is smooth and erases cleanly without ghosting. Number 3. Dan&Darci Rock Painting Kit. Spark your child's creativity with this ultimate art kit. It's perfect for kids who love to create and add a touch of magic to their projects. Inside, you'll find everything needed to bring rock designs to life. From paints and brushes to glitter and stickers, the possibilities are endless. This kit is designed for all skill levels, making rock painting enjoyable for beginners and experienced artists alike. Add your personal touch with the fun accessories included. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This is a fantastic STEM project that captivates children and provides hours of engaging activity. Watch as they have a blast during the creative process and feel immense satisfaction with their unique, finished rock creations. It's great for solo fun or group activities. What we like. This kit provides everything needed for a fun rock painting adventure. It includes a wide array of supplies to spark creativity in young artists. If you are looking for an engaging and educational art activity for kids, you should consider this comprehensive rock painting set. What people say. The paint is very durable and has held up well to frequent use. It's easy to clean and maintain, which is a big plus for a whiteboard surface. The paint applies smoothly and dries to a nice, even finish. Number 2. Coodoo Water Marbling Paint for Kids Arts and Crafts Kit. Instead of painting on paper, try painting on water. This kit lets you learn the traditional technique of marbling paint. Free your creativity and make beautiful patterns as unique as you are. No painting foundation is needed. This water marbling paint set is suitable for kids and adults. Simply follow the instructions to create beautiful and fantastic water art. Our pigments and carrageenan are safe, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly. Success requires patience as the natural ingredients dissolve slowly. This kit has everything you need to start your marbling journey. It includes paints, paper, tools, and instructions, making it an ideal gift option. Make this a memorable gift for any occasion. It's perfect for vacation crafts, art classes, STEM projects, or just everyday fun activities. Watch your little ones create their own unique patterns with this engaging art kit. It's a wonderful way for them to express their artistic side. What we like. This kit introduces the fascinating art of water marbling. It allows for unique patterns and is made with safe, non-toxic ingredients. If you like exploring unconventional art methods and want a safe, creative activity for all ages, you should consider this innovative marbling set. What people say. Number 1. Titoclar Water Marbling Paint Kit. Break free from traditional art. Discover the magic of painting on water. Swirl vibrant colors into amazing patterns and transfer them onto almost any surface. This is the most complete art kit you'll find. It includes 10 vibrant colors, special art sheets, a large tray, brushes, and all the tools for endless creative fun. Our paints and ingredients are safe, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. You can create with confidence, knowing it meets strict safety standards and certifications. This kit is more than just a toy, it's an approved STEM and classroom activity. It's ideal for daily fun, school projects, and creative learning. Looking for the perfect gift? This is it. It's an amazing surprise for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion, allowing kids to create and share their own masterpieces. Watch their eyes light up as they drip, swirl, and transfer their unique artwork. They'll be so proud to gift their creations to family and friends. What we like. This magic water painting kit offers a refreshing way to create art. It comes with a very complete set of supplies for endless possibilities. If you are looking for a versatile and educational craft kit that's also STEM approved, you should consider this comprehensive marbling experience. What people say. The paint is a great way to turn any wall into a whiteboard. It's easy to apply and dries quickly. The surface is smooth and durable, making it perfect for everyday use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.